Reviewsinside TV, welcome back. Today we're looking at a vacuum that promises versatility, compactness, and power. The BLACK+DECKER BDH2020FLFH Max Lithium Flex Vacuum with PVF110 Replacement Filter. Now this isn't just your typical handheld. It's cordless, ultra-portable, and has some unique features that could make it a game changer for anyone in need of a quick, efficient cleanup. But does it live up to its promises? Let's get into it. The BLACK+DECKER BDH2020FLFH is a cordless handheld vacuum designed for quick cleaning tasks around the house or car. Its most striking feature is the 4-foot flexible hose, which allows you to reach those tight spots, high shelves, and even under furniture. The vacuum's compact size and lightweight design make it easy to maneuver, so you won't have to struggle with heavy equipment. Its 18.9-ounce dust bowl capacity is not the biggest, but for a handheld unit, it offers just enough space to tackle small to medium-sized messes without constant emptying. Now, let's talk about its suction power. The BDH2020FLFH is powered by a lithium-ion battery, which, combined with its ergonomic design, makes it highly portable and convenient. The vacuum is designed to handle everyday messes with ease, from dust to pet hair. It's equipped with a 3-stage filtration system that helps to trap dust and debris, keeping them from escaping back into the air, which is especially helpful for allergy sufferers. Its filtration system is backed by a premium pleated filter that's designed to provide a high level of filtration, which, when paired with its high suction power, makes it effective for both carpets and hard floors. Battery life is always a crucial factor with cordless vacuums, and the BDH2020FLFH doesn't disappoint. The battery runs long enough to finish a full cleaning session in a medium-sized space, but it's not designed for extended heavy-duty jobs. When it's time to recharge, it charges quickly and efficiently. However, if you're planning on cleaning large areas or multiple rooms in one go, you may need to give it a little break to recharge. Speaking of cleaning, the included 4-foot flexible hose really shines here. It gives you the ability to reach difficult spots, whether you're cleaning under furniture, along baseboards, or tackling high shelves. The hose is flexible enough to bend and twist to fit those hard-to-reach areas, and its lightweight nature makes it easy to move around without tiring your hand. The vacuum is also equipped with a few attachments to enhance its versatility, including tools for upholstery and pet hair removal. These accessories are helpful for a variety of situations, from cleaning pet beds to vacuuming your car's interior. As for real-world usage, I put the BDH2020FLFH to the test on a few different surfaces, and here's what stood out. First, on hard floors, it performed admirably, sucking up fine dust and small debris with ease. On carpets, it picked up surface dirt without issue, though it struggled a bit with embedded dirt in thicker pile carpets. Pet hair? It did a decent job, though longer or thicker pet hair might require a little more effort to completely lift from your floor. Cleaning stairs, upholstery, and car interiors with the hose and attachments was straightforward. The hose's flexibility allowed me to get into those awkward spots, while the upholstery tool helped to lift debris and pet hair from soft surfaces. One thing to keep in mind, however, is that it may take a little more time and effort on larger or deeper surfaces, but for smaller, more frequent cleanups, it's excellent. Now, no product is perfect, and there are a few things to consider. While the suction power is strong for a handheld unit, it's not designed to replace a full-sized vacuum. If you're looking for a deep clean or need something for large, high-traffic areas, this might not be the right tool. The dust bowl capacity, while adequate for smaller messes, requires frequent emptying, especially if you're tackling pet hair or large debris. Additionally, as is often the case with handheld vacuums, long hair can get tangled in the brush roll, so regular cleaning and maintenance are a must. In terms of value for money, the BLACK+DECKER BDH2020FLFH stands out as an affordable, compact solution for light-duty cleaning. While it may not be a replacement for a full-size vacuum, it provides excellent performance for quick, everyday messes in small to medium-sized spaces. Its filtration system, lightweight design, and versatility with attachments make it a solid choice for those looking for an easy-to-use, portable vacuum without breaking the bank. Comparing it to other models in a similar price range, there are a few alternatives, such as the Dyson V7 trigger or the Shark Rocket corded handvac. The Dyson offers stronger suction and a larger dustbin, but at a higher price point. The Shark Rocket, on the other hand, is corded, which means no concerns about battery life, but it's bulkier and less convenient for quick spot cleaning. The BDH2020FLFH offers a balance of portability, performance, and price, making it a great option for those with smaller homes or apartments who need a vacuum for light, regular use. When it comes to build quality, the vacuum feels solid, though it's clear that some of the materials are lightweight and plastic. The filter and hose connections feel sturdy, but I wouldn't expect it to stand up to years of heavy-duty use. As for maintenance, the filter and brush roll are easy to clean, but if you don't stay on top of hair removal from the brush roll, it can quickly impact performance. Customer support for BLACK+DECKER is generally solid, with fast response times and helpful customer service teams. However, given the vacuum's relatively simple design, most users won't need to rely on customer support often. In summary, the BLACK+DECKER BDH2020FLFH Max Lithium Flex Vacuum is a strong choice for those looking for a portable, compact vacuum that's excellent for quick cleanups around the house or car. It's best suited for smaller spaces, light messes, and people who want a hassle-free cleaning experience. It's not a replacement for a full-sized vacuum, but for the price, it offers solid performance and value. If you're looking for something lightweight, versatile, and easy to maintain, this could be the one. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest reviews like this one. And if you've tried the BDH2020FLFH, let us know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and goodbye till next time. Remember, the clean is only as good as the tool you use.